Hello, good afternoon class. We are doing chapter chemicals and chemical changes, and today our topic is chemical formulas. What are chemical formulas? Let's start the lecture. Okay, let's start. Topic is chemical formula. What is a chemical formula? It tells number of atoms and type of atoms in a element or in a compound. Okay, for example, if two atoms of hydrogen combines, then it will write as H2. What is H2? It is the formula of chemical formula of hydrogen. Okay, what is it tell now? It means one molecule of hydrogen contains how many atoms? Two atoms. This subscript tell us the number of atoms in any chemical formula. Two atoms. Okay, similarly, when one atom of hydrogen and hydrogen element and two atoms of oxygen element they will combine they will form look at here one molecule of one atom of hydrogen. For one atom there is no need to write subscript, no need to write here 1, okay. Plus how many atoms of oxygen or element, symbol of oxygen element, it is O, okay. So how many atoms of O? 2 atoms. So here I write 2, O2. It means one molecule of oxygen contain 2 atoms. This 2 represent number of atoms of oxygen element, okay. So you know that when they combine they form molecule, one molecule of water, H2O, okay, H2O. Now after that we can conclude that in one molecule of water there are one atom of hydrogen element and 2 atoms of oxygen element. So this is the molecule of water or chemical formula of water. So what does a chemical formula tell? It tell the number of atoms and the type of atoms in a element or in a compound, okay. So now we will do some more examples. More examples of chemical formulas, okay. So after water, next example is carbon dioxide. Which are the elements in carbon dioxide? Carbon, second element is oxygen, okay. Now chemical formula of carbon dioxide. So when carbon atom, one atom of carbon and 2 atoms of oxygen, 2 atoms of oxygen means O2, they will form a compound or a molecule, that is carbon dioxide, and it will become, formula is CO2, okay. Now here I write atomicity. Atomicity means total number of atoms in a molecule or in a compound, okay. They may be same or they may be different. Like here there are total 3 atoms, 2 atoms of oxygen and 1 atom of carbon. So atomicity is 3. Next, second example, sodium chloride. We did the symbols of these elements earlier. I hope you all are aware about it. Sodium has symbol sodium. First element in this compound is sodium, symbol is Na. Second element, it is in ionic form, chloride is ion. So whatever I will write here, I write elementary form, okay. Element is chlorine, symbol of chlorine is Cl, okay. Now I will write the formula of sodium chloride. So when one atom of sodium को कैसे represent करेंगे? It will represent as Na plus chlorine. To make 1 mole of sodium chloride or 1 molecule of sodium chloride, how many number of atoms of sodium and chlorine combine? 1 atom of sodium and 2 atoms of chlorine. Cl2 represent 2 atoms of chlorine. So when 1 atom of sodium and 2 atoms of chlorine combine, they will form sodium chloride with formula NaCl. Okay, so what is NaCl? It is the chemical formula of sodium chloride. How many number of atoms and type of atoms they represent? It represent NaCl. In NaCl there are 2 type of atoms of 2 elements. One is of sodium and second is of chlorine, and sodium has only 1 atom in NaCl and chlorine has also 1 atom in NaCl. Okay, so here number of atomicity, look at the total number of atoms here. Na has 1. Whenever there is no written there is no subscript, it means 1. In case of Na, the subscript is no, it means 1. Cl is also 1, so 1 plus 1 2. So the atomicity of NaCl is sodium chloride is 2. Okay, so these are called chemical formulas which tell us the number of atoms and type of atoms in an element or in a compound. That is called chemical formulae. Okay, how they generate, how they will write, you will read it in your next higher classes. Okay, but definitely in the next lecture we will do the balancing part of this type of formulas. Balancing means, like, you look here in this formula and think one thing, you know about what are chemical changes. When two substances interact and they form a new substance with different properties, that is called chemical change and chemical reaction. Substances which interact, that are called reactants, and the substance which formed after the interaction of different substances, that new substance is called product. In next lecture we will discuss on reactants and products and about this balancing. This part is called balancing. Means, look at here, in this chemical reaction or change, there is only one Na, here is also one Na, there is 2 Cl, 2 atoms of Cl, but in this product there are only 1 atom of Cl. So this is not complete change, complete chemical reaction. It will be completed, number of atoms will be balanced. How? It will be discussed in the next lecture. So only this much for today lecture. Thanks to all of you.